Hello, everyone. I'm Emily Burton. I'm a registered nurse here in the Montana branch of Mount Pacific, and I am coming to you from our wellness team after having a chance to evaluate the results from our survey from all of you. So this year we're going to be focusing on nutrition, stress management, mental health awareness, and physical activity. I'd like to introduce Aggie White from Guam for our first segment on nutrition.
Half a day or hello from Guam. My name is Agnes White. I'm one of two Mountain Pacific staff who holds up the fort here on Guam. Glynis Almonte is the other one, and we're both registered nurses. Unlike what many of you are experiencing now, the average temperature here on Guam is 81 degrees Fahrenheit. We are only 13 degrees north of the equator, so yes, it does get hot here and very humid. And we do sweat a lot. That's why it's important that we stay well hydrated, and water should always be the first option. But I find in some of my diabetes self-management classes, many of the participants do not drink near enough as what they should. I guess water doesn't hold as much excitement as a sugar-sweetened beverage. But I've found a creative solution to that. I brew my own tea from herbs in my garden and flowers in my yard. I have here red hibiscus. Isn't that pretty? And behind me is my lemongrass plant. I trimmed off a few leaves, tossed it into my pot along with a bunch of red hibiscus. I let it steep for a couple hours, and I just poured out a glass right now. The red hibiscus gives it that deep red color, and this variety of hibiscus gives it a nice, flowery, subtle, gentle taste. Of course, the lemongrass gives it a nice lemony flavor. I like to sweeten my tea with a non-caloric sweetener. This is especially important if you have diabetes or pre-diabetes and you have to watch your carbohydrate intake. My go-to is stevia extract, or you can use stevia powder. An artificial sweetener like Splenda would also do well. So here you go. Here you have it. My solution to staying well hydrated on Guam. A hibiscus lemongrass tea. Cheers, and si Zeus Maasi, thank you.